Bola man ng mga nakapula. Number 21, nagdadala ng bola. 15 seconds to shoot. 10 seconds.
Okay na.
2 points for number 6. What's the call? Pushing foul. Senior rep, sorry. Number 10. Warning for penalty. McCarthy. 30 seconds for the first quarter. 30 seconds. There's foul number 6 to the line, 23, substitution. Ten seconds remaining. Running time po tayo. And the first quarter. First free throw is good.